If your Lenovo docking station starts having issues like devices disconnecting, monitors not working, or USB ports becoming unresponsive, performing a reset is often the quickest fix. Docking stations act as a central hub that connects displays, keyboards, storage devices, and network cables to your laptop through a single USB-C or Thunderbolt connection. Over time, temporary firmware glitches or connection conflicts can build up and cause problems. Resetting the dock clears these temporary errors and reinitializes the hardware, allowing everything to reconnect properly. You can also manage and troubleshoot your dock using tools like Lenovo Vantage. Step 1. Disconnect the docking station from your laptop and unplug its power adapter. Step 2. Locate the reset button or pinhole on the dock. Step 3. Press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds using a paperclip. Step 4. Reconnect the power cable and plug the dock back into your laptop. Step 5. Wait a minute for the dock to initialize, then check monitors, USB devices, and Ethernet connections to confirm everything works.